the Jeep won't start. We're not really sure why. I mean, it's only been abused for a couple of years on the property. But we're going to try and get my dad's old Mustang that he totaled out. It's been a long time since this thing has been out of storage. So we're going to drive that around in the back and have some fun before I leave. So it's got a lot of stuff we got to move. It's got a couple flat tires. And the hood's detached. I mean, we'll see if we can get it out. All right, so I got the battery pack hooked up, everything like that. The doors don't open as if anybody remembers this. This is one of my second videos. So I don't know if it'll crank. All right, clutch has to go in.
Watch toes.
Yes, yeah, I told him.
Start it up.
Oh.
What do you care about the air?
I need to see when I back up.
Just go! You got open air!
Hey, no peeling out, boy. Oh, shit. It's just, yep, right here's good. Yep, right here's good. That's perfect. Let me get out of the car. Oh, yeah, look at that tire come back to life.
Instant blister. Do you not know how to put time?
So this is my little brother Dakota. That's not really my brother, but I've known him since he was born. So this is my brother Dakota, and this is my best friend Wyatt. He's been in a couple of my videos. So they're gonna be driving it. I'm gonna be driving it. We're just gonna have some fun and probably stall it out a lot. But hope you guys enjoy.
She's alive. Look at her. Sure is.
She's alive.
She's alive.
Hi Wyatt.
I'm not recording.
I know.
Down the road.
I am. All right.
Hey.
Ready, guys?
Sure.
Can't really see anything
I'm
out
ready
of
to
this.
see God. Don't crash, I read him. Hey, Wyatt, it's alright to hit the plant, by the way. No one cares
Just
about
died. Oh boy.
Oh, she's on fire.
Oh shit.
What's going on?
Did you just
fry the battery?
That was me.
Okay, so it died. We just killed it for the sole purpose of the battery's too tall and it touched the hood, and then it grounded the hood to the front and just, yeah, that was super dangerous. I probably shouldn't have grabbed the hood because that could have been very bad, but we're okay. We pulled it off. We're gonna pull the hood all the way off just for this, and we'll put it back on when we put the regular battery back in. We're gonna try and charge that battery so you can see where we do this. We burnt it a little bit. It should be okay. Yeah, those are pretty warm, so we are going to let it sit for a second, cool down. This is why we always practice safety and don't do this at home, because this is super dangerous. You can get hurt doing this. We're lucky that we didn't. My hand's tingling a little bit. We're lucky. We're lucky that we didn't hurt ourselves doing this. We're gonna pull the hood all the way off and make it safe. It is strapped down and all that. So honestly,
See if that wasn't there. If that was there, Wyatt.
we wouldn't have this issue, but we have this issue now. So it didn't ground itself. It just
Started welding itself.
it just started welding itself. So I mean, honestly, if we have that on, we should be fine.
Let's not risk
But
it.
the hood's bouncing so much because it's, you know, all this stuff is all messed up and it's not actually latching. It technically
wonder
welded
why.
itself to that. If you look here, it actually welded itself from there over here. You can see all the burn marks back here. If you look, you can see right there and then right there that it burned in a little bit, right there. Right there, it burned. So, yeah, that was a bit sketchy. So, we're gonna be safe, pull the hood off, and we'll drive again. Clutch is gonna be in. You're gonna stall it too.
I said I probably will. I didn't say I won't. I said I most likely will. Like 2 or 3 years.
Action control's on again, I think.
I hit TCS.
What? There you go.
You stalled it, so it turned the traction control back on.
Oh, Jesus.
Hang on. Move the car. Move it. Like, drive it forward. I think it's just the angle we're at.
Nope.
Did it die?
Did you check the oil, buddy?
Pull it up. Oh no, not good.
It's oil starved.
It doesn't sound like.
It don't sound right.
I don't.
Working.
Yep. Well, we don't know what the noise is, so we're gonna put that away. Because we do have plans for the motor and transmission, so we're not gonna ruin that. But, well, it was fun while it lasted the whole 5 seconds.